Hello, my name is Nicholas Stad and I'm from Monrovia. Today we're going to talk about how to prune lilacs after blooming. Why do you prune a lilac after blooming? Because that's the right time of year. That's how you're going to get them to bloom even more in the following years. And the only thing you really need is a good sharp set of pruners. You need to prune them after they have flowered. Now, the plant we have in front of us today is not a lilac. It's actually a vitex, but the principle is very much the same. So when you prune them, which you'll need to do to get that fresh growth coming along for next year's blooms, you're going to try and open the plant up a little bit, go in there between the buds halfway, sharp cut at an angle, really important. If the bush is just too big and overbearing, cut back halfway between the breaks of the leaves. Here's a great example. And what you're trying to do is to really reshape your bush into a nice symmetrical bush. Lilacs will get quite tall depending on the variety. Lots of fabulous new varieties available on the market, coming in different colors: purples, whites, blues. They're really fun. There's a great new one from the National Arboretum called Declaration and another one called Old Glory. So prune them regularly, encourage that young growth. You'll be successful with lilacs in your garden.